I have already uploaded two videos of differentiation of infinite order. Now today I am going to discuss about a special type of differentiation, that means fx is equal to a plus x by b plus x to the power a plus b plus 2x. Look it carefully, a plus x by b plus x, and this is a plus b plus 2x. You know that fx is equal to a plus x by b plus x whole to the power a plus b plus 2x. This is a variable and this is a variable. So taking log on both sides, log fx is equal to a plus b plus 2x into log a plus x by b plus x. That means a plus b plus 2x into log a plus x minus log b plus x. Now, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 by fx into f dash x, differentiation of log x, 1 by fx and ddx of fx, that means f dash x. This is equal to a plus b plus 2x into ddx of log a plus x minus log b plus x plus log a plus x minus log b plus x into ddx of a plus b plus 2x, or f dash x by fx, this is equal to a plus b plus 2x into 1 by a plus x minus 1 by b plus x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by a plus x. And then from here you get, we can write it in this way, log a plus x by b plus x into differentiation of a and b, this is constant term, is 0 and this is equal to 2. This is 1. So what we get from here, f dash x is equal to fx into a plus b plus 2x b plus x minus a minus x by a plus x into b plus x plus 2 into log a plus x by b plus x. You know, fx is a plus x by b plus x into a plus b plus 2x. Now putting the value of fx, we get a plus x by b plus x, this is equal into to the power a plus b plus 2x into a plus b plus 2x into b minus a by a plus x into b plus x plus 2 log a plus x by b plus x. Now putting x is equal to 0, f dash 0 is equal to a by b, a plus 0 by b plus 0 to the power a plus b plus 0 into a plus b into b minus a by a into b plus 2 log a by b. So the equation transforms to a by b whole to the power a by a plus b into b square minus a square by ab plus log 2 log a by b. This is your required answer. Now next I show you its application. Now let us see some example. Fx is equal to a plus x by 1 plus x whole to the power a plus 1 plus 2x. Then f dash 0 is equal to a, b, c and d is none. The function fx, this is equal to a plus x by 1 plus x whole to the power a plus 1 plus 2x. This is similar to the previous problem, a plus x by b plus x, a plus b plus 2x. Now putting b is equal to 1, we get the required result. Now putting b is equal to 1 in this equation, look here, a plus x by 1 plus x, a plus 1 plus 2x, here a plus 1 plus 2x. Then f dash 0 is equal to 2 log a by 1 plus 1 minus a square by a into 1 whole to the power a by 1 whole to the power a plus 1. So what you get is that your answer A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. You know that there is, if B is correct or not. Now we check whether the answer B is correct or not. F dash 0, in the case of B, F dash 0 is equal to, from here 1 minus a square by a plus, minus 2 log 1 minus log a. Log of 1 by a means log 1 minus log a whole to the power a to the power a plus 1. From here we get 1 minus a square by a minus 2 log 1 means 0 minus log a into a to the power a plus 1. That means 1 minus a square by a plus 2 log a by a to the power a plus 1. So this and this is identical, and from here we say that B is also correct answer. B is also correct answer. So our required answer is A and B. This is the problem. This is the solution. Now we check another example. Example 2. If fx is equal to now the second problem is 1 plus x by 2 plus x, 1 plus x by 2 plus x whole to the power 3 plus x, 3 plus 2x, then f dash 0 is equal to A 1/8 3/2 minus log 4, B 3/2 plus log 4, C 3/2 minus log 4, D 1/8 3/2 plus log 4. Now our function is fx is equal to 1 plus x by 2 plus x whole to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3x. Sorry, 1 plus 2 plus 2x. Comparing this to this equation, a plus x by b plus x whole to the power a plus b plus 2x, our f dash 0 is equal to f dash 0 is equal to 2 log, here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. Then 2 log a by b means 2 log 1/2 plus b means 2 square minus 1 square by 2 into 1 whole to the power 1/2 whole to the power 1 plus 2. That means 2 log 1 minus log 2 plus 4 minus 1/2 into half to the power 3. That means this is 1/8, this is 1/8, and it becomes, this is 3/2 minus log 1 means 0, then 2 log 2, that means 1/8 3/2 minus log 4. So using this result we get the answer 1/8 into 3/2 minus log 4. So A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Okay. Oh, this is our next problem. It is a very interesting problem. Given that if cos x by 2 cos x by 2 square cos x by 2 cube dot 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 cos x by 2 to the power n is equal to fx, then you have to show that half tan x by 2 plus 1/2 square tan x by 2 square plus 1/2 cube tan x by 2 cube plus dot 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 1/2 to the power n tan x by 2 to the power n, this is equal to 1 fx by f dash x, 2 minus f dash x by fx, 3 minus fx by f dash x, and 4 is 0. Now how we solve it? At first, fx is equal to cos x by 2 cos x by 2 square cos x by 2 cube dot 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 cos x by 2 to the power n. Now taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, we get log fx is equal to log cos x by 2 cos x by 2 square cos x by 2 cube cos x by 2 to the power n. Now you know that multiply of cos, we get log cos x by 2 plus log cos x by 2 square plus log cos x by 2 cube plus log cos x by 2 to the power n. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get differentiation of log fx means 1 by fx into f dash x. This is equal to this is cos x by 2, and what we get 1 by cos x by 2, and differentiation of cos x by 2 means minus sin x by 2, and differentiation of x by 2 is half. Similarly, this is equal to 1 by cos x by 2 square, differentiation of cos means sin x by 2 square, and this is 1 by 2 square plus 1 by cos x by 2 cube, cos means minus sin x by 2 cube into 1 by 2 cube plus and the last term is 1 by cos 2 to the power n minus sin x by 2 to the power n into 1 by 2 to the power n, and this becomes 2 minus half tan x by 2 minus 1 by 2 square tan x by 2 square minus tan x by 2 cube into 1 by 2 cube, and so on 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2 to the power n tan x by 2 to the power n. Now taking minus as common, we get minus half tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 square tan x by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube tan x by 2 cube 1 by 2 to the power n tan x by 2 to the power n. So this is equal to f dash x by fx. Then our required answer is tan x by 2 half tan x by 2 square tan x by 2 to the power n. This is equal to then what we say that half tan x by 2 plus half 2 square tan x by 2 square plus 1 by 2 to the power n tan x by 2 to the power n is equal to minus f dash x by fx. So 2 is the correct answer. 2 is the correct answer. Okay.